couple months from now, maybe like, I don't know. I'm giving away too much tea. And then the card just says, Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you, Shapermint, for sponsoring this video.
It's too long for so cheap and your flex so deep, your sex so deep. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Freaky. I could learn a lot from you, gotta come teach me. You a little hot girl, you a little sweet. Sweet like airline, sweet like peach. Like that. I could tell you.
What is up, guys? Good morning. This is Future Tiana. So all the clips that you're about to see were filmed yesterday. And today's today. So I just got up this morning and I wanted to continue with my self-care. Self-care also for me is kind of just like having my space together, because like if I don't have my space together, I'm out of whack. So I wanted to add that part in, you know. First, I'm moving out of this office. Like this office is turning into something else. So yeah, it's time to spread my wings and fly. So I'm going to be taking my talents to somewhere else, I guess. So yeah, I'm gonna move my office, and even though I like the lighting in here during the daytime, what it's turning into is gonna be so cute and just like, you know, whatever. So I'm excited for that, but that's why I have to give up my office. Yeah, let's get into the rest of this video. Good morning, guys, and my pale skin. What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is Tsquarrel, and I am back at it again with another video. My lashes are crazy. I went to my nails another day, but they already look crazy. It is love month. It is the month of love, and we are celebrating love. Today's video is going to be like an impromptu like vlog, like self-care type of vlog. I need some self-love. I need some self-gratification. I need something, you know. Your girl is single, not ready to mingle, and yeah. Oh, it's my good sis Nikki text. Oh, yeah. Just almost exposed myself. But yeah, today's video I'm going to be, like I said, doing a what is it, kind of like self-care type of vlogs. I'm about to run to Target. Actually, I just ate some cereal. Y'all, I've been on this verge of like, my daughter is here. Hold on. My daughter, say hi. You know mommy? You know mommy? Oh no, she's like, no mom, I don't love you. Okay. Good morning. I don't know if I should say good morning because it's like late afternoon. But see, y'all don't know that. Like, y'all could be watching this in the morning, but then y'all could be watching, you know what, Tiana, don't get in your head. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Tiana Tsquarrel. I'm back at it again with another freaking video. I know you guys say, Tiana, you said you was gonna be consistent, you said you was gonna be posting. Y'all, your girl's been tired. But it is time to get my life back together. It is time for me to really step into the mood of just like, you know, being consistent with like, you know, everything that I do. So yeah, so today I just feel like I'm going to do like a little revamp day and just, you know, give myself some love that I need. So that's why it's only right that I'm partnering with Shapermint again, and they are going to be sponsoring today's video. Yeah, so they're going to be sponsoring today's video, and honestly, you guys, self-love is the best form of love. That's why I'm teaming up with Shapermint to step into the month of love by simply celebrating myself. I feel like a lot of women, or just people in general, always give their self to a bunch of other people. They never take time and actually celebrate themselves. So this is your time to celebrate you. And you guys, personally, you know, I love Shapermint. I work with them all the time. And I love them mainly because they don't just celebrate self-love or preach self-love during the month of February. They preach it year-round. Shapermint literally screams self-love. They want you to love who you are and love the body that you are in. So it's only right that Shapermint is kind enough to be gifting one of my lucky followers $150 worth of Shapermint, so you can be comfy and chic while enjoying your well-deserved me time. You guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys just some of my self-care, what I do to, you know, celebrate myself. I'm actually about to run to Target. This is going to be like a vlog slash like self-care video. So I'm on my way to run to Target to pick up a few things to treat myself to a nice relaxing like chill vibe day. It's like 2 p.m. and your girl is just drained, so I feel like I need this. I'm actually about to go get dressed. Yeah, I'm just gonna throw in something really, really chill. I do want to show you guys a few of my favorite Shapermint items though before I go. So I actually been practicing like yoga and stuff like that, guys. So this bralette that I'm gonna show you guys from Shapermint is the wireless bralette, and I love this. Cute, fits me all in the right places, and definitely a must-have for me. You guys already know that these are essential in my wardrobe. These are the all-day, everyday high-waisted boy shorts. I love these. Snatch me in all the right places and give me the hourglass shape that I love. Okay, so this right here, the wireless shaper bra, I've raved about this in every single video that I've done with Shapermint. This bra is literally my go-to. I'm actually gonna leave this out because I'm about to put this on under my hoodie because it's so comfy. So these are the seamless stretch mid-waist shorts. Gotta love these. These are so cute and they are seamless, so they can go under anything. Yeah, these are my go-to, and I love these because these are one size fits all. You can literally wear these from a 0 to a size 14. Definitely a must grab. So those are some of my must-have items from Shapermint. I'm actually about to go get dressed because I'm literally only run to Target. I would take you guys with me, but my camera's about to die, so I gotta charge it so I can show you guys my self-care routine. So this is my mom and my sister. So I'm gonna talk to you guys a little later when I get back. I'm so pale. Like, my skin is so just whatever. But I just got back. I look crazy. I have my little Shapermint bra because I told you I was gonna put that on, so I have that on right now. You guys know this is my favorite bra because it's so freaking comfortable. But obviously I can't wear just a bra outside because that would be crazy. But I just got back. I went to Bed Bath & Beyond. I told you guys I was gonna go to Target. That was a lie. I really didn't feel like walking around Target, and I just knew Bed Bath & Beyond would be quicker. I had to go get like some bathroom rugs and things like that. So I went and did that, and I got some stuff for like a little self-care day. I did do some stretching and stuff like that, which I'll show you guys. My body has just been like tight a lot or whatever. So that's why, another reason why I feel like I needed a relaxation day. And like I said, I went to Bed Bath & Beyond, which I keep on saying, like you're probably like 10 so for the 40th time. But I went and just got like some bathroom rugs because I needed some. I've been needing some for the longest time and I just been putting it off. So finally got those. And then I went and I was looking for the bath towels because that's what I was really going to Bed Bath & Beyond for, was the bath towels. And then I walked past a bunch of Dr. Chill stuff and I was like, I don't gotta go to Target. I did want to go to Target to get my Method body wash, and Target is literally a block away from Bed Bath & Beyond. But y'all, I'm so lazy. So anyway, so I got some Dr. Till's Himalayan mineral soap. So it's the Restore and Replenished one. My skin's about to be restored. And then I also got the pink Himalayan foaming bath. I also got some the Pure Epsom Salt soaking solution, and this is Comfort and Calm with chamomile. I haven't never tried Dr. Chill's body wash, but I feel like it's the same exact thing as the foaming bath, whatever, I don't know. So I just picked up one just to try it out because normally I only use the Dove body wash, the pink one, or I use the Method body wash. So that's really all the stuff that I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. I'm actually about to go clean my other bathroom that's in my bedroom. And I'm going to take a bath in there. And then I'm going to come back out and probably relax in my bed and color. Y'all probably think I'm so crazy, but like, you guys, I genuinely love to color in adult coloring books. It is such a stress relief for me, and I don't get to do it as much anymore just because like I don't even get to paint anymore. Like, you guys know I did this painting over here. I'm gonna show you guys. It's not a painting, but it's like an art piece. I did this art piece, if you guys can see. Excuse my fall stuff still being up, but I did this painting right there, and I haven't really painted or did any like artsy stuff in a while, but I've just been getting back into like coloring and things like that. So I'll probably do something like that. But like, that's really like my self-care type of stuff. Like, I just like to relax. Like, I don't like to do too much. That's really like me, a self-care day for me. Like, it's not doing too much. Like, having a clean home, which basically my house is clean because I cleaned the bathroom and the whole way. I just gotta vacuum a little bit. The only part of my house is like really junky is a little bit of my room, my closet, and my beauty room is in shambles, but that's because like I'm breaking it down. You guys will figure that, you guys will find out why I'm breaking this room now, even though it has such good lighting during the daytime. You're gonna figure out why I can't use this room anymore as my beauty room. Now I don't want to say very soon, but soon enough. A couple months from now, maybe like, I don't know. I'm giving away too much tea. Look at my flowers. Let my bestie got me. And then the card just says, Happy Valentine's Day. Whatever. I'm talking too much. Let me go set up my tub.
From full steps to a whole nother domain. I'm a living super and compromising. Help me alone. Drug houses, looking like a graduate. I'm a living think money. I can run ask about I'm on bus.
Okay, so it is way later in the night. It's about like almost 11:30, 12, and I'm just sitting here. I actually dozed off after that last clip of me like coloring in my adult coloring book. Don't come for me. I dozed off, and then I woke up, ordered some takeout. Well, no, I ordered takeout, ate the takeout, then dozed off. So yeah, so now I'm just in bed, chillaxing. Yeah, and I'm about to call it a night. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was very impromptu. Thanks again, Shapermint, for sponsoring the video. Make sure you go check them out. I have on my mid briefs right now and my favorite bra, and I'm actually about to knock out my chin. It's giving double chin action today. Hopefully you guys are all out here celebrating yourself more, and make sure you go into Shapermint's giveaway so you can win $150 over Shapermint stuff and be snatched to capacity. And yeah, also I believe I still have a discount code, so even if you don't win the giveaway, you can still use my discount code down below and get you some money off. I look a mess. My hair looks crazy. But yeah, that's my chill day. That's what I do when I'm trying to relax. Very impromptu. So yeah, and I smell so good. Oh my god. Love you guys. See you in my next video.